Nice. Crazy. Leg. Flex. Machine. Walk. Machine. Walk. Twist. Oh. Flex. Boom. Yo guys, welcome to your channel. I am Alireza with another tutorial. In this video we have a nice combination of most important popping basics for beginners. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video. Let's go to the start. We will start the combination with Fresno. Fresno is so respectable popping basic, exactly popping boogaloo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget, pop both your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next step, 1. We will go to walk out, boom. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And next 8 step is about old man and body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have old man, you can watch this video for having good style and other details in old man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Body roll. Shoulder from in front. 1, 2, 3. Body wave. 1, 2, 3, and hip roll. Boom, boom. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And repeat all the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So let's go to next part, next 8 step. 1, 2. We have boogaloo move. 1, 2, and we will go to king tut. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, switch your arms. 5. Next step, focus on my feet and my legs and my arm. Boom, boom. It's like crazy leg. This leg is on toe and this one is on heel. Boom. So again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Repeat all the steps together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. Walk out. Old man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head roll. Boogaloo. switch your arm, boom, boom. Do it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's go for next 8 step. Next 8 step start with cobra. Focus on my leg. We are here and we will use wrist twirl from king tut with king cobra. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next we use crazy leg. 1. This one is on toe and this one is on heel. 1. Switch your shoulder again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. Again together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the steps together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So let's go for next step. We are here and now we will twist or flex with machine walk. Boom. Right hand and left leg. Boom. Ta. Boom. Ta. Boom. Ta. And left arm with right leg. Boom, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1. Twist your upper body and come up your leg. Boom. 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 Focus on my leg. Boom. Okay, together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then twist of legs. 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. یه نگاه بندازیم میگیره اصلا. رکورده؟ خب حل. Let's go repeat all the steps together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fresno, 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 walk, out, old man, boom, 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 head roll, shoulder, body, roll, boogaloo, walk, king, tot, boom, boom, switch, ooh, nice, crazy, leg, flex, machine, walk, twist, flex, boom. Let's go to the start faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let's go do it on the beat. Yo, I hope you enjoyed all this combination. I tried to use most important popping basics in this one, and we will upload another popping tutorial of these basics, but it's harder than this one. And if you don't have each one of these basics, you can find that in my channel. Don't forget subscribe the channel and like this video. I need your opinion in comments. Have a nice day and night.